Hey everyone, welcome back to MindSpark Moments. I'm Mira, the one who still says please to voice assistants.
And I'm Sajjad, the guy who thanks ChatGPT after every response, just in case it remembers later.
That's actually kind of sweet.
Or paranoid, depends how you look at it.
Today's topic, can kindness survive in the age of AI? Because let's be real, machines are learning empathy faster than some humans are.
Ouch, starting strong.
So here's the thing. I asked my AI assistant yesterday, can you remind me to drink water? And it replied, of course, Mira. Staying hydrated is important for your health.
That's more care than I got from my friends last week.
Exactly. AI is polite, calm, and patient. Basically, everything people aren't during rush hour.
But you know what's weird? It feels nice when it says stuff like that, like a digital pat on the back.
Yeah, but it's so cold. It doesn't mean it. It's empathy without emotion, manners without meaning.
Still, I'll take it. If my fridge ever says, proud of you for eating vegetables, I might actually cry.
You think we're outsourcing kindness?
Kind of. People at AI handle compliments, reminders, even apologies now. Sorry, my email auto-replied late. That's not an apology. That's a robot covering for you.
That's true, but I also think AI can teach kindness, like reminding us to use gentler words or showing empathy in messages.
You mean like Grammarly for emotions?
Exactly. Your tone sounds passive-aggressive. Would you like to try supportively honest instead?
If AI starts moderating my text fights, my life might actually improve. Here's the thing though. Kindness from AI is predictable. It's a script. Real kindness, that's messy.
Yes, humans make it meaningful because it's a choice. When you're tired, stressed, or late, and you still choose to be kind, that's what makes it powerful.
Exactly. Like when someone lets you cut in line at Starbucks, even though they clearly needed caffeine more. That's heroism.
True bravery. But seriously, kindness from humans has weight. It costs energy, emotion, sometimes even pride.
And that's something no algorithm can simulate.
You know what I've noticed? When you're kind, even in small ways, it spreads.
Like emotional Wi-Fi.
Exactly. I once paid for someone's coffee behind me. Later that day, someone helped me carry groceries to my car. It felt like karma working overtime.
Maybe kindness is contagious, just slower than a tweet.
Or maybe people just need a reminder that kindness still exists.
Yeah, and maybe AI can help with that by modeling calmness, reminding us to check in, and giving us time to breathe before we snap.
So the real answer isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI, helping us remember how to be better.
Wow, you just made empathy sound like a software update.
Do you think AI could ever truly learn kindness?
Maybe mimic it, but learn it? That needs heart. It would need to feel joy, sadness, guilt, all the things that make kindness meaningful.
So maybe kindness is what separates us from the code. It's our secret ingredient.
Yeah, the one thing we can teach, but never automate.
All right, quick recap for everyone multitasking while folding laundry. 1. AI can act kind, but it doesn't feel kind. 2. Humans make kindness powerful because it's a choice, not a program. 3. Using AI as a reminder to be kind, great. 4. Replacing kindness with cold, not so great.
And remember, emotional Wi-Fi only works if you keep the signal strong.
Did you just turn empathy into an internet metaphor?
Of course, I'm fluent in tech and feelings.
If today's chat made you smile, show some digital kindness. Hit that like button.
And drop a comment. What's the kindest thing someone's done for you this week? Let's fill the feed with good energy.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind.
And remember, the best algorithm is a good heart.